Exercise 4.4, question number 2. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations. First part is 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. Before we do this question, let's have the different natures of roots of a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has two distinct roots if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and two equal roots if b square minus 4ac equal to 0 and no real roots if b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Here b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Because this expression b square minus 4ac determines whether the quadratic equation has real roots or not. So now we have the condition for equal roots for this question, first part. So now we can do this question. 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. Here in this quadratic equation, a is equal to 2, b is equal to k, the coefficient of middle term, and constant term c is 3. We know the condition for this equation to have two equal roots. So condition for equal roots is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now put the values of abc in this b square minus 4ac equal to 0. It is k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 0. K square minus 24 equal to 0. So k square equal to 24. So k is equal to plus minus under root 24. That is k is equal to plus minus 2 under root 6. Second part is kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Simplify this equation. Kx into x, kx square minus kx into 2 minus 2 kx plus 6 equal to 0. Here a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k and c equal to 6. We have to find value of k under the condition that this given quadratic equation has equal roots. And we know the condition for an equation to have equal roots, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So condition for equal roots is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Put the values of abc in this equation. Minus 2k whole square minus 4 into k into 6 equal to 0. 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. Divide this equation by 4. K square minus 6k equal to 0. Take common factor k. So k into k minus 6 equal to 0. This implies k equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. That is k is equal to 0 and k equal to 6. These two values of k we have got here. But we have to reject this k is equal to 0 because this value of k is not valid for this quadratic equation. In case you put k equal to 0 here in this quadratic equation, to 0 into x minus 2, this first part of the equation will vanish. Therefore, k equal to 0 is not valid value here. So rejecting k equal to 0, we get k is equal to 6. And this is the required value of k for this given quadratic equation.